All right, we got this amazing cordless stick vacuum. I'm going to show you really quick just how it runs really quick before I even explain it to you. Turn it on. Press this button right here. Turns it on. To go to max mode, press this. Turns it on max mode. Now I'm just going to just sort of go around. Just vacuum a bit just to pick some stuff up just to show you that it gets the job done. So there we go. And as you can see, there is stuff spinning in there. Yeah, you can see the stuff spinning in there. So you can see it works, gets the job done. This thing's great. It has a 25 to 40 minute runtime, and you charge it with this cable right here that you just plug right in to the back right here. And you plug this into the wall. Charges, I believe it's in about 5 hours, fully charges. And so this is the full length right here. You want to shorten it, you can shorten it to here. Clicks right into place. You can keep doing it. Or you can also, you can remove this piece right here. And you can use this piece with this still on it. Or you can also remove this piece. Press that in, comes right out. And now all you've got is this. And you can put this right in there, clicks right into place for this piece right here. Or you can even come back here, get this piece right here. Clicks right into place. There you go. And it's still the same thing, depending on what you want to vacuum. If you want to vacuum the floor, want to vacuum, you know, like the couch, whatever you want to get into a certain area, this is going to be a better fit. That's amazing. But this thing's great. Also comes with mounting hardware. If you want to mount it to the wall, here's the screws, here's this piece, and it can mount. That way you can store it on the wall. You've also got two extra of these that are inserted into the filter. There's already one in there right now. I shouldn't have opened that up, but luckily nothing fell out. But this thing's great value, and I highly recommend it.